Hi, welcome to the first video of Cisco Packet Tracer. In this video, I will introduce you with the objects we have here, and if we want to test something before applying on the real environment, we can do that here. So first of all, you can see on the left bottom, there's the first icon which is for routers, and the second one for switches, third one for hubs, fourth one for wireless devices, and fifth one for the connections. That means the cable to connect a computer to a switch, or a computer to a router, or a router to a switch, right? And on the end devices, we have computers, we have WAN emulators, we have custom made devices, we have multi-user connections. But in today's video, we will be using just a switch and two computers, and we will be doing some real life scenarios on that, like how the network works and how we work within the Cisco. Okay, so I'm gonna go to select this one, 2950, that's a layer 2 switch. I'm gonna go to the end user devices, and I'm gonna select this one right here, the PC1, and this is going to be the PC2, or let's do 4 computers, right? So because this one is 24 port switch, so we will be connecting this one by one. Okay, so first let's discuss about the cables. There are like 3 or 4 types of cable right here, but we will be using the crossover cable or the straight cable. So between two same layer devices, like switch is layer 2 device, computer is layer 3 device. So if we are connecting switch with the switch, so it's gonna be with the crossover cable, and switch to router or switch to computer, it's gonna be with the straight through cable. So this one is automatically, so if you select this one, it's gonna automatically set the cable type to these both devices. And this one, if we hover mouse over here, so it's gonna say console. So console one is for the configuration, so we are not going to use a console. So this one is straight through, and this one is crossover. So I'm gonna use the straight through cable from this computer, fast Ethernet, to this is PC0, so I'm gonna select PC0/1, and this port is orange. Why? That's the STP process, and I will teach you in upcoming videos what is STP. So I'm gonna connect one by one, and from 3 to PC3 and 4 to PC4. Okay, so what we can do on our computer, in the case of networks, we can assign IP address, we can ping, and the same thing we can do here on Cisco Packet Tracer. Let me show you how. So I'm gonna double click on PC0, and then I'm going to go to desktop, and here you can see I can do IP configuration, I can set up a PPPoE connection, I can do terminal, I can do command prompt, like everything what we can do on a computer. It gives you all those network tools here. So I'm going to go to set up IP address 192.168.1.2, and I'm gonna give it a subnet mask, and I'm not assigning any gateway because there is no gateway now. Okay, so now you can see all these computers are connected to this switch, and all the ports are green. Green means they're working. So let's try pinging from this one. So I'm gonna start with ping 192.168.1.2. it's this computer's IP address, never mind. So I'm gonna try pinging 3. I can ping number 3, I can ping number 4, yes, and I can ping number 5. So I can ping all of the computers. That means this simple scenario, like connecting these 4 computers to a switch, worked perfectly fine. In the next video, I will add a router to this scenario, and we will create DHCP server, and we will see how that things works in the Cisco. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.